Dear students, class ninth. In the previous class, we have discussed about the force of gravity, gravitational force, and the solved example we have discussed yesterday. In this, if anything is left, the difference in between mass and weight, relationship between weight and mass, gravitational unit of force, if anything is left, you can clarify again. Again, I can discuss and I can remove your problems. Clear? And today we'll do the numerical problems. Yeah. The last part of the chapter. Today we'll do the numericals of exercise 3E. Exercise 3E. First numerical. Come to page number 80. Come to page number 80. The force of attraction between the two bodies at a certain separation is 10 Newton. 10 Newton, separation between two bodies 10 Newton. What will be the force of attraction between them if the separation is reduced to half? Means the radius, initially the radius becomes r, and the second case the radius becomes r by 2. So according to the relation, just see the first numerical. Relation is F is equal to G m1 n2 upon r square. F G m1 m2 upon r square. Force 10 Newton. G capital m1 m2 upon r square is the first. Second case force, if separation reduced to half, F2 is equal to G m1 m2 upon r by 2 whole square is equal to 4. So 4 becomes this, equalizing both the equations G m1 m2 upon r square, it becomes F2 is equal to 4 into 10, 40 Newton. 40 Newton. Just see the first numerical. Second one. Now come on third one. Odd I have done, I think. Calculate the weight of the body of mass 10 kg in kgf. See, we note down this. Mass is calculated in in kilogram, and weight of body is equal to force of earth. So weight becomes kilogram force. Here I have written weight of the body will be kilogram force. F is the force of the earth by which earth attracts a body towards a center. So the weight can vary from one place to other. Mass is constant. They have in the question they have given only the mass, and weight they have asked kilogram force. Newton, 1 kgf is equal to 9.8 Newton. 1 kgf is equal to 9.8 Newton. Multiply by 9.8. So 10 into 9.8, 98 Newton. This is answer third. First part 10 kgf and 98 Newton second part. Or question number 5. The weight of a body is 2 Newton. Weight में क्या क्या चीज़ होती है बच्चे लोगों? Mass into force of gravity. The weight of body is 2 Newton. What is the mass of the body? अब उल्टा पूछ लिया इसने. We know that W is equal to m into G. They have asked mass, so W upon G, 2 by 10, 0.2 kg. Answer is 0.2 kg. Check answer. Third question, 0.2 kg. Please check. Correct. Seventh one. Man weighs 600 Newton on earth. Full stop. What will be his approximate weight on the moon? Note down one thing in this. Students, please note down. Acceleration due to gravity or force of gravity on the moon is 1/6 as that of the earth. Once again I repeat, gravitational force on the moon is 1/6 as that of the earth. Now they have given in the problem the weight of the man is 600 Newton on earth. कितना वजन है उसका? 600 न्यूटन. What would be his approximate weight on the moon? 1/6 से आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So weight of, this is question number 7. Man weighs 600 Newton on Earth. Man at the moon 1/6 of the 1/6 on the moon. So it will become 100 Newton. Please check answer. Question number 9. Any doubt till 7th? Note down and underline answers. Underline and write answers in front of that. Maybe having highlighter, so use this highlighter if you are having. It will helpful in examinations. So we should use it. Now question number 9. Question number 9. A ball is released from a height and it reaches the ground in 3 seconds. Ball is released from height, from the top it is released, reaches the ground in 3 seconds. Value of G is 9.8 meter per second square. Value of G they have given 9.8. What question number first part? The height from which the ball was released. Height. So we'll use the second equation of motion, h is equal to ut plus half gt square. Downward direction, positive. Here we should write downward direction, g is positive. So h is equal to ut plus half gt square. h unknown, initial velocity 0, ये 0 हो गया. 1/2, 9.8 into 9, 2 से cancel, 4/4.9 time multiplied, 44.1 meter. Height is 44.1 meter. Underline it. Second part, the velocity with which the ball will strike the ground. Ball will strike, final velocity v square is equal to u square plus 2gh. नीचे आ रही है body, body is coming downward, so value of g is positive. G will be positive. v square u square 0, 2 into 9.8, 44.1 meter height. 0, 2 into, on multiplying this, 9.8 into 44.1, I got 432.18. Again I multiplied by 2, it comes as 864.36 v square. By taking the under root of this, I got 29.4 meter per second. It is another answer, second answer of question number 9. 29.4 meter. Now question number 11. A ball is thrown vertically upward. It goes vertically upward, G will be used as negative. It goes to a height of 20 meter, maximum height 20 meter. So final velocity at 20 meter will be 0. And then returns to ground. Taking acceleration due to gravity 10 meter per second square. Find the initial velocity of the ball. So here 11th question, v square is equal to u square. Why I have used the negative sign? Because ball is thrown vertically upward. G will be negative. G will be negative. V square u square minus 2gh. 2gh v square minus u square. Value of G minus 10. Why? Because thrown upward. H 20 meter height. V square finally it will become to 0. U square we have to calculate. So u square is equal to 400. So initial velocity is 20 meter per second. Initial velocity is 20 meter per second. First answer. Initial velocity by which the ball is thrown is 20 meter per second. Now second part of this 11th question, final velocity of the ball on reaching the ground. When final velocity v square they have asked, initial and final velocity should be same. If the body value of G is same and the body is same, V square is equal to U square plus 2GH. We have to calculate U square 0, 210 into 20, 400. Same it is 20 meter per second. So I can write in words also that initial and final velocity at the maximum height and the lowest height, it will be same. Second answer. And this is the numerical verification. Downward direction, G will be positive. G will be positive. Third part. Total time of journey of the ball. Total time, we have to calculate the time. Now relation time we have to search. First one is V is equal to U plus 80, काम नहीं बनेगा. Second is V square U square 2GH, नहीं बनेगा. Third equation, H is equal to UT minus half of GT square, upward है minus GT square. Maximum height 20, initial velocity 0, time because of this the UT becomes 0, minus half GT square. So it comes 5 to 4 time cancelled. T square is equal to 4, 2 second. 2 second one way. For both the ways it will be 2 into 2, 4 seconds. Is it clear? Question number it was 11. Question number 13. Ball is thrown vertically upward, returns 6 seconds later. Jana or Ana 6 seconds. So it means on reaching to the vertical height, it 3 seconds will be one way. One way एक तरफ उसका कितना लगा हुआ? 3 seconds for going up and 3 seconds for coming down. Total 6 second time. The greatest height reached by the ball. कितनी ऊंचाई तक जा चुका? T is equal to 3 second here. H UT minus half of GT square. H unknown. Initial velocity 0. Half. Value of G is 10 and time 3 square. It will become 45 meter. Please check. 45 meter. Second part is the right answer. Maximum height attained by the ball is 45 meter. And initial velocity of the ball. Initial velocity again formula we will use V square U square minus T 2GH, going up minus 2GH. Final velocity 0. After reaching to the maximum height, the ball will come to rest. जब बॉल आप नीचे से फेंकेंगे मैक्सिमम हाइट अटेन होने के बाद वेलोसिटी उसकी 0 हो जाएगी. द वेलोसिटी विल बिकम 0 एट द मैक्सिमम हाइट. मैक्सिमम हाइट पर द वेलोसिटी विल बी 0. सो U square negative here, 2 into 10 into 45, 900, U square 900, U is equal to 30 meter per second. This is the second answer of the question. 13th question. 13th question. So these numericals I have shown, single formula based questions these are, and 15, 17, 19 is left, odd ones. If you try these numericals, if you won't be able to, call me, I'll do it for you again. But so try these. 50 homework is 15, 17 and 19 for you, and remaining even ones you have to try. See students, class 9th, please make a fair notebook. Homework do solved numerical and unsolved in fair notebook. This is homework for today. Today's date is 30th July 2020. These copy will ask you for the corrections. So write your name, cover label your copy properly covered, and when it will be asked, you have to submit this copies for correction. Do your work neat and tidy. If any problem, call me. I am at your service. Clear? Thank you one and all, friends. Bye.